Good morning, boys and girls. Actually, it's night because I'm recording it right now, but let's try something different. I'm going to try to record myself talking and then also this video for you. Today, I just want you to watch a tiny video on perspective. I want you to think about what perspective really is. So this one starts off talking about sizes of people, so tall versus short, and how if there's different people who come into the picture, people may look taller or shorter, and then goes into some ideas of perspective. It's short, it's not too long. So here it goes.
That's Mr. Philip. Now, because Joe is there too, he is small. Once Anna shows up, even Joe doesn't look that tall. In fact, all three of them are tiny. Size is a matter of perspective.
Notice how with this giant gardener, they all look small, even though at one point, two of them looked very tall.
When we look at a rainbow, we see an endless spectrum of colors. To describe them, we need to put them into buckets: purple, blue, green, yellow, and red. For a lack of understanding and language, we can't describe and classify most shadings in between. People who speak a different language therefore put each color into slightly different buckets. Red means different things to different people. Colors are a matter of perspective. Our first 9 months were probably peaceful. Then there was war, but soon peace again. We grew up and there were struggles that soon after led to friendships. We grow older and it gets difficult, but then also beautiful. If we were to go back in time and change one tiny detail, everything could have been different. Tim took a cookie. Anne said he stole it. The teacher thinks that Tim is bad. His dad said that he was just hungry. The economist professor thinks it was a rational choice to maximize utility. The behavioral biologist believes that his hormones drove him to do it, and the neuroscientist thinks it's his brain.
Lots of different perspectives.
A psychologist looks for the answer in his past, and the priest points to God. Everyone has a perspective, and no one really knows Tim. We all have different genes and our own particular past, sometimes good and sometimes bad. The result is our own unique point of view in this world. Even if we listen to the same songs, read the same books, or smell the same flowers, these are not the same songs, books, or flowers, because what we actually hear, read, and smell is our own interpretation created by personal memories and imagination. Each book, each song, and each flower is different to every one of us. Everything is a matter of perspective. So when we say this is good or that is bad, we do that from our own subjective point of view. Sometimes it's better to be quiet and listen. If someone is sad or angry, we can try to imagine how the world looks from that person's point of view. Maybe we can see what they see and develop compassion. Maybe there is a right or wrong, a good or evil. But maybe there isn't. Maybe all there is compassion or ignorance. Until proven right or wrong, let's be kind to each other.
Okay, so today when you are reading your next chapter or listening to it, I want you to start thinking about what Payne's perspective is versus what Dusty Muleman's perspective is versus Noah's perspective. Start thinking about how all the characters are feeling differently about different things in this point in the story, and especially that of Florida and preserving the area they live in. And then even if you want to get a little bit deeper, since you read the 2 interview pieces, you could think about how Carl Hiaasen feels about Florida and how he would feel if he was directly in this book and not writing it. Anyway, miss you guys. Post something fun or interesting. Tell me something new that's happening because I miss you guys and it's sad not being in school. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.